So there is a little food festival going on today at
Now, what's been the most popular? Butterflies. So you can see the carrots, the cute. Not hangry after lunch or dinner. Moving along, we've got delicious pickles. You can make your own pickles. We've got Monash education here. Monash, what are you doing over here?
Just a small action. But when everyone makes small changes, we can change the world. Lunch with our friends, dinner with our families at home. There are so many different meals to enjoy all together. Families do lunch on our plate and can't finish our food. Well, many people have spoken in and embraced in Australia. Households put 3.1 million tons.
for the lovely vibe. Come down to the Christmas Square, little food festival.